Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics in place: a supported Outlook build and Windows search enabled for desktop or indexing on the web client. Once ready, open Outlook and click the search box so indexing can target your mailbox. Make sure your account is fully synced. If using cached mode, wait until sync completes. Next, select Scope, Current Mailbox, or All Mailboxes so you search the right data. You're starting the search process now, which prevents wasted steps later. Now you'll refine results with search tools and advanced query syntax. Click Search, then choose filters like From, Subject, Has Attachments, or Date to narrow hits quickly. Use Boolean operators and combines terms or expands and not excludes, put exact phrases in quotes. For precision, type EQS directly example, from Alice subject, Q1 report has attachment true. If you need folder-specific results, switch scope to current folder. These steps reduce noise and surface the message you actually need. Finish by saving useful searches and using quick steps for repeat queries so you don't repeat setup. If results look incomplete, rebuild the index. Open indexing options in Control Panel, choose Advanced, then Rebuild. Allow time for reindexing. If you're on Outlook Web, sign out, clear the browser cache, or try a different browser to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if search returns nothing, confirm the Windows search service is running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.